so exciting. Everyone's wrapped up nice and warm. Look up high into the sky. Now it's time for the skyline snowstorm.
Hello, everyone. I said hello, everyone.
Oh, are you all ready for Christmas? You are? Oh, that's just brilliant.
Oh, if my fluffy ears don't deceive me, I think I can hear someone coming.
It's Tinsel! Hello, Billy. Hello, Bonnie. And hello, all you lot out there. I thought I'd pop by with your Christmas present. That's very kind of you, Tinsel. What on earth have you bought us? Well, boys and girls, I asked Billy and Bonnie what they would like this year for Christmas. And they said they would like something that really sums up Christmas time. So, I got you some plum duff and a satsuma.
Oh, well, that wasn't really what we had in mind.
But it's the thought that counts. You daft bear! I'm joking! Listen up. Here it is, you've been waiting. Just right now, no hesitating. It's Christmas time in the skyline. It's present time tonight. Everyone has their own opinion. Everyone has their point of view. Everyone loves Christmas their own way, and everyone would have a different gift for you. So I asked myself, what gift would I like? I asked myself what would seem right. And for me, as a Christmas tree, the only gift is the gift of life. Wow!
That's why Tinsel's box didn't weigh much. It was light.
Oh, I am a hit. Bonnie, I think there's someone else cockroaching.
You mean approaching, not cockroaching.
I don't know what I meant, but they're coming this way. Ginger!
How cookie crunchingly good to see you.
Oh, and you too, you two.
What do we owe the pleasure?
Well, I've come to give you your gift.
What is your gift, Ginger?
Well, let's sing a song first, all together, and then I'll tell you what your gift is.
Only just begun.
Are you hanging up a stocking on your wall? It's the time that every Santa has a ball. Does he ride the red-nosed reindeer? Does he turn up on his sleigh? Do the fairies keep him sober for a day? Come on, everyone! So here it is, Merry Christmas. Everybody's having fun. Look to the future now. It's only just begun. So here it is, Merry Christmas. Everybody's having fun. Look to the future now. It's only just begun. So here it is, Merry Christmas. Everybody's having fun. Look to the future now. It's only just begun. It's just begun. Woo-hoo! Merry Christmas!
Oh, it made our hearts feel light and kind of fluffy.
It made us feel all warm and gooey inside.
Well, I can say I'm pleased because that's my gift.
The gift of goo.
No, Billy. My gift is the spirit of Christmas.
Oh, yeah. Of course it is. I knew that.
Hello?
Hello? Look, everyone! It's Frosty!
Have you come to give us your Christmas gift, Frosty?
Yes, I have.
Well, so far we have received the gift of light from Tinsel.
And Ginger gave us the gift of goo.
The gift of the spirit of Christmas.
And I bring you the gift of snow. Ta-da! Oh, let me try that again. I bring you the gift of snow. I said snow.
Oh dear. Oh dearie me.
Yeah, well, I don't like to mention this, but, it's not snowing.
I think Frosty is aware of that. You'll have to think up some way of making it snow.
Great idea, you guys. Snow, snow, how can I make it snow? Snow, snow, I just don't know. Maybe I could do a snow dance. Maybe I could howl to the moon. Maybe I could make a giant freezer and scatter snow like sugar from a spoon. Snow, snow, how can I make it snow? Snow, snow, I just don't know. Maybe I could wish upon a star. Maybe I could cast a magic spell. Maybe sing a snow-making song. Yeah, let's do that one as well. Snow, snow, I can make it snow. Snow, snow, I just don't know. Snow, snow, how I made it snow. Snow, snow, I just don't know how I made it snow. How I made it snow.
You did it! It's snowing!
That's not what I call snowing. It's a flurry, a sprinkle, a smattering. We need a blizzard, a real snowstorm.
I did try.
You did? And I thought it was a very nice wee sprinkle of snow. But don't worry, Frosty. I'm sure we can come up with some way of making a real Christmas snowstorm.
I've got it, a red coat.
Oh, Billy, I don't think a red coat will be able to make a snowstorm, even though they are a pretty amazing bunch of people.
I mean the best red coat ever. The most famous red coat of all.
You don't mean
I do.
Father Christmas!
Oh, did someone mention my name? Hello out there. Billy and Bonnie. Oh, there's a gift over there for each of you. Now, come on, Frosty, wipe your eyes. It wasn't a snowstorm, but a splendid try. It's quite important for all of you that at Christmas your wishes come true. But now, it's almost time to fly. So, gather round and say goodbye.
Ta-ra!
Cheerio!
Goodbye.
Ta-ta now!
Bye.
Now watch as Billy's wish takes form. Rejoice, I bring you a snowstorm. It's time for the countdown. Everyone, join in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ladies and gentlemen.